man has been on his belly for quite a while now. And we're trying to catch him rolling on his back, as he did last night. Gavin, what are you doing? What you doing, buddy? You're not holding your head up very good anymore. You're not holding your head up very good anymore. Oh, he's so mad at Mom. Hi. Who's that? Look, you can see yourself. Mommy's taping you. Oh, such a good job. Look, Gavin, Mommy's taping you. See right there? Who's that baby? Do you see yourself? Is he gonna help him now? Here, let's practice, remember? You tuck your arm and you roll. There you go. You're on your side now. That makes you happier? What do you got on your face? Do you have blueberries on your face? Yeah. I think you do. Blue. You have blueberries on your face. Hi, Gavin. Hi. Oh, see? Proof we cry. All right, Mommy will feed you.